As a business owner, you will receive various requests from your customers, such as product demos, customer support, and so on. Using Zoho Calendar, you can easily log these events and also invoice and charge them using the same. Let's see how the Invoice Zoho Calendar extension works in Zoho Inventory. First, let's install the Invoice Zoho Calendar Events extension from Zoho Marketplace. Go to marketplace.zoho.com. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search for Invoice Zoho Calendar Events for Zoho Inventory in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization for which you would like to install the extension. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now, you will need to authorize your Zoho Finance Suite connections. Hover the cursor over the Zoho Calendar card and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. Therefore, click Accept. Now, hover the cursor over the Zoho Finance Zoho Calendar card and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. Therefore, click Accept. Then click Next. In the following page, select the calendar in which you want to track the events and click Install Extension. That's it. You have successfully installed the extension. All the events in your Zoho calendar will be fetched and imported into Zoho Inventory. You can also install the extension from Zoho Inventory. Go to Settings and click Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Here, search for the Invoice Zoho Calendar Events extension and install it. Let's see how to create an invoice for the events in your Zoho calendar from your Zoho Inventory organization. Log into Zoho Inventory. Go to Sales and click Invoices. Click Plus New at the top right corner. Fill in all the details. Here, under the item table, click the drop-down next to Plus Add New Row and select Add Events. You can either search for the events using the search bar or filter the events using the start and end dates. Then select the events and click Add to Invoice. The events that you select will be added as line items to the invoice. Enter the quantity, rate, and click Save. That's it. You have created an invoice for these events. Once the invoice is created, the event status will change to Billed in Zoho Calendar. Please note that you cannot use the same event as a line item in another invoice. If at any point you wish to uninstall the extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click Installed Extension next to all extensions. Click View Details below the Invoice Zoho Calendar extension card. Click Uninstall at the top right corner. The Invoice Zoho Calendar Events extension will be uninstalled, and you will no longer be able to create invoices for the events in Zoho Calendar from your Zoho Inventory organization. And that's a wrap for the Invoice Zoho Calendar extension in Zoho Inventory. Thanks for watching.